welcome to the next segment in the theory series. I don't know what I'm gonna talk about today. Let me see. What about everybody all around the world thinking that they rebels? You are not a rebel with your dumb ass. How are you a rebel when you do every single last thing that they want you to do? You upset, you're broke, you're angry, you're violent. How many people you done bust in the head? How many times you went in the store and you stole something? How many times you wasn't paying attention, went the wrong way, hit the potholes, messed your car up? How many times you had to go to the doctor's office? How many times you got behind on your bills? Whether it's a phone bill, a light bill, a cable bill, internet bill, your car note, you got behind, got that credit. And that's giving them money. You're not a rebel. You're doing everything that society wants you to do. You believe in everything society wants you to do with your dumb ass. So how are you a rebel? You get all the parking tickets in the world. Don't you help out the police? It's not helping them with your dumb ass. How are you a rebel then? How you such a badass when you doing everything everybody else was doing? How you so different? Oh, I'm different. I'm special. I'm important. You can't be if you playing right into the statistics and being everything that they said they wanted you to be, which is easy for them to manage to take control of, make their money off of your ignorance with your dumb ass. Being educated, having manners, being polite, helping others, that's being a rebel. If society wants you to be ignorant and violent and upset and arguing, running red lights, robbing places, selling drugs, they getting money off of you. Every business is making money off of your ignorance. You going to the car place, you going to the doctor place, you getting arrested, the judges, the lawyers, the police, they all making money off of your dumb ass. So how are you a rebel? Especially when this has been going on for hundreds of years. Nothing new has been happening. So how can you say you're doing anything better or anything different? So what is it that you actually rebelling against? Good? Honesty? You rebel against loyalty? You rebel against hard work, determination, having ambition, a goal set for yourself? You rebel against making your bank account stack up? You rebel against filling your mind with the proper knowledge? With your dumb ass. Now tell me what you think in the comments below.